Welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Here, today we'll learn about the multiplication of rational numbers. Here we are having 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. So, 2 into 1 is 2 and 5 into 3 is 15. And there is no cancellation for it. Here, there is a cancellation for it. 2 by 3 into 6 by 10. 6 will come in 3 table. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, and 10 also will come in 2 table. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 2 by 5. Here 6 also will come in 2 tables. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 5 ones are 5, 3 threes are 9. Here 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 3, 9. There is no cancellation for it. In this one, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled. So answer will come as 1 by 1 is equals to 1. And in this, 6 will come in 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. And 10 also will come in 5 tables. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 by 2 gives 1. Answer is 1. And 5 by 2 into 3 by 4. In this, doesn't cancellation will not happen. So 5 into 3 is 15. 4 into 2 is 8, and there is no cancellation for it. 3 into 1 is 3, and 9 into 2 is 18. And in 18 will come in 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3 six are is equals to 1 by 6. In this, 6 will come in 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 2 into 1 is 2 by 5 into 1 is 5. So answer is 2 by 5. In this one, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. In this, there is no cancellation. So 1 into 1 is 1 by 5 into 2 is 10. Thank you for watching the video.